this off. So the cap got lost off the top of this jack, so this grease got all full of water from rain and it was just all nasty inside there. Okay, so I need to knock that pin out so I can pull the handle off and get to these gears. Okay, there it went. Ugh. There's the handle. It's my top gear. And there's my pin that I knocked out.
Whoa, what is that fish? This is so giant.
So then the next thing I need to do is turn this so that I can drive that pin out this way, and this whole thing will slide. Didn't even need to knock that out. It was super loose. This whole thing should drop right out. Whole plate. Slide out. There's a lot of nasty, gritty metallic crap in here, so probably a good thing I'm doing this. So, to grease up that screw, I'm going to wind it out. Just take this. Oh yeah, and it's left-hand thread, so it's opposite. Okay, finally got that other one in. You got to get it lined up just right. Then drop that. Where There it goes. This slide right in. These all had thread locker on them, so put a little dab of Loctite. Indent. The screw.